As you look around, this is a beautiful park. It's a sacred space.
This park has been transformed into more than just a special entrance. It's now the real heart of our Midtown campus.
One of the things that I think everyone feels is love. I think they feel hope. I think they feel caring. That's what this park has become.
My husband often said, the courageous children cope with life-threatening diseases, fighting to live another day. His idea for a sculpture park devoted to children was born on this very property.
None of us would be able to celebrate this renovation if it weren't for Geri Moulton and those tireless efforts over many years to bring a sculpture park to our city and to this academic health system.